Did you sleep less than 6 hours last night? If yes, your body may already be under stress, even if you feel fine. Sleep deprivation is not just about feeling tired. It can slowly damage your brain, weaken your immune system, and increase belly fat, and it can even raise your risk of heart disease. Millions of people are living sleep-deprived every single day without realizing the long-term consequences. In this video, you'll discover what sleep deprivation really does to your body, the warning signs you should never ignore, and simple habits to fix your sleep. Stay until the end because one small change tonight could transform your health tomorrow. Sleep deprivation happens when you don't get enough quality sleep. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. But modern lifestyles, stress, phone use, and work pressure are making sleep deprivation extremely common. There are two main types: acute sleep deprivation, which is short-term like staying awake for one night, and chronic sleep deprivation, which is long-term. Chronic sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired, it slowly damages your health from the inside. Your brain depends on sleep to repair and reset. Without enough sleep, you may notice difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, and mood swings. Sleep deprivation also increases stress hormones like cortisol. This keeps your brain in a constant state of alert. Over time, this increases the risk of depression, anxiety, burnout, and memory problems. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a biological necessity. Without it, your immune system weakens, your metabolism slows down, and inflammation increases. Lack of sleep reduces muscle recovery and increases fat storage. If you're working out but not sleeping, you may struggle to build muscle. Here are the warning signs: constant fatigue, difficulty concentrating, increased hunger, mood swings, frequent illness, weight gain, and dark circles. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Research shows sleeping less than 6 hours significantly increases these risks. Sleep deprivation is the silent health destroyer. Daily habits like late-night phone use, stress, and caffeine late in the day are often responsible. The good news is you can fix your sleep. Keep a consistent schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Limit screen time at least 30 minutes before bed. Reduce caffeine in the afternoon and create a relaxing bedtime routine like reading or stretching. Exercise regularly and keep your bedroom cool and dark. These small changes make a huge difference. Sleep is the foundation of your health. Tonight, try going to bed 30 minutes earlier. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more science-based health tips. Stay healthy. Stay informed.